I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. She gets up from bed quickly. She gets up from bed quickly. She stretches her arms in the morning. She stretches her arms in the morning. The baby yawns when she is sleepy. The baby yawns when she is sleepy. I wash my face after waking up. I wash my face after waking up. She brushes her teeth twice a day. She brushes her teeth twice a day. He rinses his mouth with water. He rinses his mouth with water. I floss my teeth after brushing. I floss my teeth after brushing. She combs her hair neatly. She combs her hair neatly. My father shaves his beard in the morning. My father shaves his beard in the morning. I take a shower before school. I take a shower before school. She dries her hair with a towel. She dries her hair with a towel. He gets dressed for work. He gets dressed for work. I put on a jacket because it is cold. I put on a jacket because it is cold. He buttons his shirt before leaving. He buttons his shirt before leaving. She ties her shoelaces before running. She ties her shoelaces before running. He zips his jacket before going outside. He zips his jacket before going outside. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. She drinks water after waking up. She drinks water after waking up. My mother makes coffee every morning. My mother makes coffee every morning. I leave home at 8 a.m. I leave home at 8 a.m. She locks the door before leaving. She locks the door before leaving. He walks to school every day. He walks to school every day. The boy runs to catch the bus. The boy runs to catch the bus. I catch the bus at the bus stop. I catch the bus at the bus stop. My mother drives me to school. My mother drives me to school. She rides a bike to work. She rides a bike to work. He waits for the bus at the station. He waits for the bus at the station. They board the train at 9 a.m. They board the train at 9 a.m. She enters the school with her friends. She enters the school with her friends. He signs in at the office every morning. He signs in at the office every morning. I take notes in class. I take notes in class. She studies hard for her exams. She studies hard for her exams. He writes a letter to his friend. He writes a letter to his friend.
She reads a book before bed. She reads a book before bed. The teacher teaches math to students. The teacher teaches math to students. I listen to my teacher carefully. I listen to my teacher carefully. She speaks English fluently. She speaks English fluently. He asks a question in class. He asks a question in class. She answers the teacher's question. She answers the teacher's question. I type emails on my computer. I type emails on my computer. She prints the document for work. She prints the document for work. He copies the notes from the board. He copies the notes from the board. She pastes the picture into the document. She pastes the picture into the document.
He checks his email every morning. He checks his email every morning. The mechanic fixes the car. The mechanic fixes the car. She calls her friend in the evening. She calls her friend in the evening. I email my boss about the report. I email my boss about the report. Meet in the office every Monday. Meet in the office every Monday. She plans her day carefully. She plans her day carefully. He orders pizza for lunch. He orders pizza for lunch. I buy my lunch at the cafeteria. I buy my lunch at the cafeteria. She eats a sandwich for lunch. She eats a sandwich for lunch. He drinks juice with his meal. He drinks juice with his meal. They talk about work during lunch. They talk about work during lunch. I return home at 6 p.m. I return home at 6 p.m. She unlocks the door with her key. She unlocks the door with her key. He changes into comfortable clothes. He changes into comfortable clothes. She cooks dinner for her family. She cooks dinner for her family. They sets the table for dinner. They sets the table for dinner. I brush my teeth before bed. I brush my teeth before bed. She sets her alarm for 7 a.m. She sets her alarm for 7 a.m. She reads a book before sleeping. She reads a book before sleeping. She turns off the lights before bed. She turns off the lights before bed. The baby sleeps early at night. The baby sleeps early at night. I sweep the floor every morning. I sweep the floor every morning. She mops the kitchen floor. She mops the kitchen floor. She vacuums the living room. She vacuums the living room. She washes clothes in the washing machine. She washes clothes in the washing machine. He irons his shirt for work. He irons his shirt for work. We go shopping on weekends. We go shopping on weekends. She enters the grocery store. She enters the grocery store. He chooses a new shirt. He chooses a new shirt. She pays for the groceries with cash. She pays for the groceries with cash. They leave the store after buying food. They leave the store after buying food. I visit my friend on Sunday. I visit my friend on Sunday. She calls her mother every day. She calls her mother every day. They chat about their day. They chat about their day. He laughs at a funny joke. He laughs at a funny joke. She takes photos at the park. She takes photos at the park. He starts his car in the morning. He starts his car in the morning. She parks the car in the garage. She parks the car in the garage. He gets off the bus at his stop. He gets off the bus at his stop. The plane lands safely. The plane lands safely. I open the weather app on my phone. I open the weather app on my phone. She clicks on the link. She clicks on the link. He swipes the screen to unlock his phone. He swipes the screen to unlock his phone. She posts a photo on social media. She posts a photo on social media. He downloads a new game. He downloads a new game. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. She takes medicine when she is sick. She takes medicine when she is sick. He rests after a long day. He rests after a long day. She stretches before exercising. She stretches before exercising. He exercises at the gym. He exercises at the gym. I write a letter to my grandma. I write a letter to my grandma. She draws a beautiful picture. She draws a beautiful picture. He builds a small table. He builds a small table. She sells handmade crafts. She sells handmade crafts. They travel to new places every year. They travel to new places every year.